Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with Roblox that you're unable to verify the network. The server is giving you a verification fail error message, or it's not able to apply critical settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in time. Best match should come back with date and time settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath additional settings and sync now. Select the sync now button. Give that a moment. And then once that's done, attempt to connect back to the servers, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.